Okay. Now we will check operator overloading. To work for the operator overloading, start with new console application. Here I have created one class money in which I am considering rupees paise and total paise. One member function is read money which reads value for rupees and paise. We will discuss this after some time. Then calculate, it goes to execute calculate. In calculate, it will calculate total paise as rupees multiplied by 100 because 100 rupees 100 paise is 1 rupees. So to convert rupees into total paise, rupees into 100 plus paise. And in show money, I am displaying rupees paise and total paise. Now the data which we are trying to read this is of type string data, and our variable which we have declared is an integer. So every time we have to convert this into the integer. So instead of converting every time into the integer, I have added extension methods, just what we have seen into the previous lecture. So here I have created one member function read integer which takes the value, and this value gets converted into the integer, and that I am returning. Now which is this value? So this value is nothing but the value which we are taking from a keyboard. So here this is a by default string value. So it calls the, after reading the value, it calls the read integer, and that value converted into the integer, and that is given to the rupees and paise. Now we will execute this simple money class. Okay, 12 rupees 45 paise. So total will be 1245 paise. Okay, that means this is working perfectly. In main program, I am creating object of money class and then m1.read money and m1.show money. Now we will go for the operator overloading. Now suppose I have taken here three objects m1, m2 and m3. I want to read value for m1, money object m1, then I want to read value for m2, and then display value for m1 and m2. Okay, so here I am using console dot write line first object just for the displaying purpose, and then here this is our second object. Now if you now execute this, the first is 10 rupees 45 paise and second is suppose 5 rupees 60 paise. So the first object is 10 rupees 10 rupees 45 paise, total paise is 1045, and then second object is 5 rupees 60 paise, so 560. Now I want to make addition of this two into the m3. So if I make here like m3 equal to m1 plus m2, okay, this generates the error because this plus operator, it works only on simple variable, it won't work on object. That's why we have to do operator overloading if we want to make any type of arithmetic relation or binary operator. We have to write program for this because this operator works only on simple variables. So what we have to do is we have to add one public static method which will return public static method. Okay, so like this operator plus, and then here you take it this as money m comma money n, and after adding value which we are returning is money object, so we have to write here money. So here we are giving return type as a money because we want to return a money object. So we have to create one temporary object temp because this addition of m and n we want to take into the temp, and then add the total paise of m and total paise of n to get into the total paise of temp, and from this total paise convert rupees and paise, and then return temp. This temp will come into the M3. Now whenever this statement is executed, your compiler checks what is there on left hand side, on right hand side, whether this is a variable or object. If it is a variable, it will make normal addition, and if it is an object, it goes to execute the program which we have written. Value of m1 is given to m, value of m2 will be given to n. Values are given, that means it transfers the value of member variables from the source to the destination. Then it makes the addition, and then it returns the temp, and that temp comes into the M3, and then we are displaying M3. So now if we execute this, it will ask for the values of first object. So I am giving here 10 rupees 20 paise, and second is 5 rupees 70 paise. So total addition will be 15 rupees and 90 paise. Okay. So this is operator overloading. We have to overload the operator because normal operator works on a simple variables. If you want to work this on object, then you have to write the corresponding program for all the operators, arithmetic operators, relation operators, all operators, binary operators and everything. Okay. Try this. Thank you.